savage to 70, hoping we make it. Our niggas might not ever see the day. Remember the time, the least that we had. We sitting and praying, we catch a break.
Episode 4 coming in strong. We just see episode 3 recently, which is the last video. I'll probably link it or post it right one of these areas right here somewhere. But we do have episode 3 under the book. I know I picked it kind of late, but I will be adding in from this point on episodes going throughout. Episodes 1 and 2 I had to recap from the last video, so the opening for this one would not be that long. Just a quick recap. Episode 3, we got to see the Bat Demon come inside there strong. Denji and Power look like they're going to be I thought they were going to be like a little item coming inside there. I'm getting the whole vibe of Jujutsu Kaisen with Itadori and the chick with the nails. I forgot her name. But I don't know why I'm getting that vibe from them. But going into it, without further ado, I'm not going to waste too much of your time. Just know where you guys are at. You guys got the 1216 podcast on the react section of it. So if you want to keep watching these reactions, we have multiple videos. Other for our live podcast that's on the channel. Go check it out. Of course, we have other anime that we're doing. Check those out too. Without further ado, let's get into this shit, man. Cat still skin and bone.
たかが猫じゃん。じゃあなぜ走る？なぜ人間を探す？ニャーコを助けるため。
It never fails. Every time somebody's running down the street or running somewhere, they're always tripping themselves.
血は好きじゃん。味も匂いも死を感じるのも。それで最近初めて分かったんじゃ。血は温かくて気持ちがいい。
Look at a big ass cat. Get him back. All that damn bat demons intestines everywhere. Insides are outside now on the streets and every fucking where. All for the boobies. Pearls are a sign of death.
騙してすまんかった。ニャーコは助かったからな。胸は揉ませてやるわ。
Jackpot.
よっしゃ
Oh shit. The bat demon's not dead. Oh no, another demon. What the fuck? He's under 4 charge.
血が足りねえのか。
やっと見つけたのに。あんたでしょ、コウモリちゃん殺したの。私の男だったのに。あら、よく見ると可愛い顔。好みの顔してるから逃がしてあげる。
後ろのやつらは
殺す。
That's dead.
じゃあ死にな。
Sticks to landing. They are fucking this shit up.
Takaが胸を追うためにこんな戦えるのか。
Just rock that tentacle. Then got that shit rocked. Too low on blood.
嘘でしょ、こんな子犬ちゃんにコウモリは殺されちゃったの。コウモリは私と一緒に人間を全て食べる夢を見ていた。無謀だけど崇高で素敵な夢。それを子犬程度にぶち壊された。殺すのはもったいない顔だけど死んでちょうだい。
胸揉む前に死ねっかよ。
くだらない。低俗な欲望を持つやつに殺されたものね。かわいそう、コウモリ。
バカみたいな理由じゃな。
お前以外全員本気なんだよ。
I would have been charged for it. Next.
みんな俺にやること見下しやがってよ。復讐だの、家族守りたいだの、猫救うだの、ああだのこうだの、みんな偉い夢持ってていいな。じゃあ夢バトルしようぜ、夢バトル。俺がてめえをぶっ殺したらよ、てめえの夢船もむこといかな。
吠えててかわいいわ。おいのほど吠えろ吠えろ。まいいわ、私が食べてあげる。
I love that laugh.
俺に夢バトルで勝ったらね。
The slider and the wrapping their ass up. All time. Damn. Put your guard up, bro. Put your guard up. Beating your ass.
悪魔じゃ。
Fucking love this laugh. Damn. What you got him? Yeah, with the tongue? He's losing a lot of fucking blood. My nigga.
コン、
Oh. Oh. Shit.
こいつは昼の悪魔だね。飲み込んでいい？
よし。
Why does he remind me of the guy from fucking writer's damn name too? But the kid from Jujutsu Kaisen, the black hair, the Itadori's friend,
昼の
with
悪魔
with the damn
部署
demon
確認
dogs.
新人は生存者の救出保護と避難誘導。
はい
姫野先輩は悪魔の警戒をお願いします。
よし。
お前と血の魔人は事情聴取。
He is fucked.
猫は動物病院で健康状態の確認。
They're by the side though.
お前の腕拾っておいたぞ。輸血
あ
したらくっついたらしい。本当に悪魔みたいなやつだな。てめえだって悪魔と仲良く話してただろ。俺は見てたぜ。本当に何も知らねえんだな。デビルハンターは悪魔と契約して悪魔と戦う。俺は狐の悪魔と契約している。力を借りる代わりに体の一部を狐に食わせる契約だ。今回は皮膚を食わした。はあ、痛そう。悪魔は常に人の死を望む。それは魔人も同じだ。パワーはいいやつだぜ。監視カメラに巡回エリア外に行くお前たちが確認されている。それにコウモリの悪魔が潜んでいたと思われる家にはお前の血が大量に落ちていた。お前血の魔人に殺されそうになっただろ。理由はわからないがお前はまた悪魔に肩入れしているな。さあどうでしたかな。
娘がチェンソーの人に直接お会いしたいと。
ありがとう。悪魔に会社で食っちまうぞって言われて逃げたんですけど、
The office.
よく見れば公安の服を着ていたし、お礼を言いたくて。
男の命なんて知るかって。
Car.
悪魔が俺ごと車を投げたんだ。チェンソーが頭に刺さっている。
俺がもっと詳しく調べて上に報告すれば血の魔人もそれをかばったお前も処分される。だが死者も出なかったし、お前が一つだけ条件を飲むなら今回は見逃してやる。俺の言うことは素直に聞くこと。お前はバカでガキで道徳がない。俺はお前より先輩だし社会正義も持っているつもりだ。俺の言うことを聞いていればお前は今の生活を守れるぜ。
Fair trade.
どうだ、分かったら返事。おう、頭に入れといてやら。安心してくれ。あんたらみてえにご立派な目標はねえし、しょぼい夢しかねえけどよ。てめえと同じぐらい俺マジでやっからさ、どーんと期待しといてくれ。とりあえず敬語を覚えとけ。おう、それも考えといてやるよ。
なあ、無罪だったじゃろ。分かったらさっさとこれを外せ。本当にいいのかな。この魔人ちゃんがいつか人を殺した時は見逃したアキ君の責任だぞ。
俺たちはデビルハンターです。悪魔でも魔人でも使えるもんは何でも使うべきだ。でも敵は敵、利用するだけです。慣れ合うつもりはないですよ。
Makes sense. I had to make friends, had to do a job, get in, get out. I wonder if he gave up like his entire like section of that arm, or it's like it's a chunk just missing out of it. It's just bandaged up from here on out. Gotta stuff up.
どうぞ。
失礼します。巡回エリアの外に出てしまっていたそうで、そこで超悪い悪魔が住んでるっぽい家を発見し、コウモリの悪魔と遭遇したそうです。デンジはチェーンソーとなってコウモリの悪魔を駆除後、今度はヒルの悪魔の襲撃を受けましたが、こちらは我々4課が駆除しました。またコウモリヒルからは共に銃の肉片は発見されませんでした。報告は以上です。
ご苦労様。でもデンジ君とパワーちゃん、知らず知らずのうちにそんなに遠くまで行っちゃったんだね。
奴らは信じがたいほどのバカですから。
巡回エリア内からの逸脱は違反行為だけど、
今回は死者も出ませんでしたし、結果として悪魔2体の駆除もできましたから、不問にしてよろしいかと。
As it should be.
わかりました。
では失礼します。
早川くんも少し頭が柔らかくなった？デンジ君と一緒に住んでる影響かな？
まさか。何も変わってないですよ、俺は。
He changed kicking the fucking balls over and over and over. Pretty casual episode so far. Just the wrap up of the mayhem that happened. Like old Sasuke. The daily life and routine. Gather coffee beans up. That seems so time consuming. Like, cigarillos. Very precise, Dusty. Jelly, and honey sandwich.
昼飯何？
カレー。
やり。んだよ、悪魔か？
Power. Oh, it is. Yeah.
早川くんちの部屋一つパワーちゃんに貸してほしいの。君ならデンジ君とパワーちゃんのいい首輪になれるからね。
なんで俺の家にヤバいやつばかり集めるんですか？
私が早川くんを
He's raising
一
them
番
now.
に信用しているからだよ。
もう死ぬじゃん。おい、俺の最強だぞ。
Took the nigga toast.
はい。
ずっとこっちに住まわせるのも変だしね。うん。そう。心配しなくてもパワーちゃんいい子にできるって言ってたから大丈夫だよ。野菜は嫌いじゃ。はい。
人参。 野菜を投げるな。
The
て
vegetables.
めえ、野菜作った農家に失礼って思わねえのかよ、悪魔。
トイレ
So a full devil, half devil, and then the human.
流せ。くせえんだよ。
風呂はたまにしか入らんはじゃ。
入れ。くせえんだよ。
なんちゃうなら人間は繊細じゃのう。なあにゃーこ。
突然来て暴れ回りやがってよ。クソも流せねえのか、悪魔は。野菜も残すし。
おいウヌ。
あ、おいクソ悪魔。てめえのクソこびりついて取れねえんだよ。
Oh, he gets to get his feel.
あ？
約束だったじゃろ。胸を揉ませてやるから揉め。
Oh. Denji?
ほれどうした、嬉しいじゃろ。揉め揉め。
If you are underage, please turn away. Look at this. This is not for you. Chainsaw Man shouldn't be watching anyway.
じゃが条件がある。胸を揉んでいい回数は
He
3もみじゃ。
squeezes.
3もみ。
にゃーこを助けたのが1もみ、コウモリを殺したので2もみ、そしてちょんまげからわしをかばってくれたので3もみじゃ。胸を揉ませるのは嘘だったんじゃが、ウヌの頑張りに報いての3もみ、ありがたく揉むんじゃな。
天使。
Oh, damn, that's the end of the episode. Episode 4. Hands down amazing. We got to see the leech come inside there who was in a relationship with the fucking Betty. Hey, Betty. But we got to see the leech come inside there. We understand now that Denji needs blood, which is obviously it's a no-brainer now because we see it in the episode 3, of course, and a little bit of episode 4 also, that blood regenerates the devil's ability, a devil's life form. So they need blood to regenerate themselves and to be at full power. So we got to see Denji with his small little chainsaw coming out his head, still putting in work, not giving up, with an arm that was shot off. I mean, completely gone. Not completely gone, but just like from like right here, it was gone. Right here up to the hand was out of here. But that was amazing. We got to see Top Knot come inside there and do his little wolf summoning, which reminds me of the trio again from Jujutsu Kaisen. Fucking connections, bro. I'm loving it. But obviously made a pact with a wolf demon, with a wolf devil, and wolf devil came out, bit the leech's head off, and went from there. On top of that, we got to see Power finally go and get accepted by the organization to be not completely free, but free from being stuck inside of that little confined space. Now Power lives with Denji and Top Knot, and we're going from there, going forward. So I cannot wait for episode 5 when it comes out. Let's hope that Denji gets to cop his 3 squeezes as well. And on that note, I might start picking up the manga. I'm not sure just yet. I will not post anything manga related on the channel. But if you guys do want anything manga related, please let me know down below inside the comments. And then I'll see what I can do with it when it comes to other mangas, of course. We could do manga read-alongs or whatnot and go from there. But man, episode 4, and the 4 episodes starting off with Chainsaw Man have been amazing. I'm talking about phenomenal work. I have to go and get me some Chainsaw Man gear to go along with my lovely collection already that I have of this is mostly just One Piece. We have a little bit of My Hero inside there, of course, but and Dragon Ball Z RWC 17 right there. But I gotta give me some Chainsaw Man gear now. I'm stoked. I'm excited, and I cannot wait to see episode 4. So coming real, episode 5. So coming real soon. Stay with us, baby, and thank you for coming along with the 1216 Reacts segment of our 1216 podcast page. And make sure you go check out some more of those videos along the way. Peace.
But we had dreams of making it bigger. The money is streams, it flows like a river. But I'll never stop to the point that I'm winning. My niggas slide on your block, they be spinning. The money like water, it look like I'm swimming. Fall to the pressure, I'll push to the limits.